friends, welcome back to TechStack Junction. So in this video we are going to see what is object, how to create an object, and with the help of object how to call a non-static method. So let's get started. So object is nothing but an instance of class, okay, or simply we can say it's a blueprint of class. And in last video we have seen the meaning of class. So class is nothing but a collection of member functions, that is methods, variables, data types, printing statements, all these things comes under the class, okay. And object is not a different, it's an instance of class, or we can say it's a blueprint of class. It is an entity, okay, which has state and behavior, same like a bike, chair, table, pen, we can take any example, okay. And the state in the sense it could be a physical or logical. So just keep in mind that it's an entity which has state and behavior, okay. So how we can create object? To create an object we have this syntax. The syntax is class name, object reference variable equals to new keyword and constructor. Okay, so let's see one by one. So first is a class name. So to create an object we have to write the class name first, and this class name is usually used as a data type to declare an object reference variable. And the object reference variable is generally we use to provide the reference for the particular object. So you can take anything as object reference variable. You can take alphabets or name. You can give any name to the object reference variable. It's just for the reference of an object. Then next is a new keyword. Java has few predefined keywords. This new keyword is one of them, okay. So we use this keyword to create an object of a class. And the last is a constructor. So details about the constructor we will see in the upcoming video, but for now just keep in mind that constructors are generally used to initialize the data members and variables of a class, okay. It is used to load the non-static methods into the object, okay. So the constructor always has the name same as the class name, so it is used to initialize the information of a particular class. Whatever the name of a class you give, the information related to that class generally utilized with the help of constructor. So this is all about the object. Now we will write our first program with static, non-static and main method. So this is my class. I already have created one project, package and class. So let's write first static method. The syntax of static method is public static void, let's give method name, that is method 1, signature brackets and curly braces, okay. Now on the console we need one printing statement. So for that let me write the syntax of printing statement, that is system.out.println, and inside the signature brackets I'll write this is a static method, okay. So after executing a program it will print this statement. Now let's write the syntax of non-static method. So in non-static method we will not write a static keyword, okay. So the syntax is public void, let me give a method name, that's method 2, and here also I will write one printing statement so that after executing a program it will print this statement, okay. It's a non-static method, okay. So to call this method we need main method. Without main method Java will not execute any program, right? So to start execution we need a main method, and the syntax of main method is public static void main, insert signature brackets, string arrays arguments, curly braces, yeah, okay. So yes should be capital, yeah. So to call the static method, we don't need to create an object. Without creating object, we can call static method by two ways. The first way is that we can simply write a method name. So you don't need to create an object for static method. Okay, just call a method name and run your program. Your static method will be executed. And another way is that you can simply write a class name dot method name. So here we have class name is a class dot method name is a method one. So by these two way you can call a static method. So when our program will execute, okay, Java will start executing program with the main method. It will print two statements. Okay, one that is that we called with the method name one, and another one with the class name and method name. So two printing statement should be displayed in the console. Now to create a non-static to call a non-static method, we have to create an object, right? And we know the syntax of object, that is class name, that is the class, object reference variable obj equals to new keyword, and constructor which has the name same as that of the class name. Now to call a non-static method, we have to take object reference variable dot method name. So object reference variable is obj dot method name is a method 2. Okay, so by this way you can call a static and non-static method. Now let me execute the program. So when I click on run, JVM will start executing program from the main method. So here you can see all the three printing statements it has printed. So the first two is related to the static method, so we call static method by two ways. Okay, so that it printed two times. This is static method, and the another one is a non-static method, which we called with the help of object. So by this way we can create a static method, non-static method, and we call these two in main method. So to call a static method, we don't need to create an object, but to call a non-static method, we must have to create an object. This was all about the methods and object. Okay, so in upcoming video we will see what is meant by data types and the types of data type we use in Java. Thanks for watching this video. Keep exploring the world of software testing. Stay curious, and I will see you in the next video. Happy testing.